Increased risk of flooding, corruption, and flood control can lead to inadequate infrastructure for poor maintenance and insufficient emergency preparedness. Economic use. Flood control can result in diversion of funds and communities one left to bear the cost of flood demand. Agency flood control is a serious issue that requires attention and enough from government, civil, and communities.
Hey.
Good day everyone, my name is Susan Medina and this is my defense research. So the title of my defense research is A Converted Mixed Method Study on Patterns and Effects of Social Media Addiction among Grade 10 students. Chapter 1, Introduction. Background of the study. Social media has become an integral part of adolescent life, a platform for effective communication, learning, and entertainment. However, excessive can lead to addiction. Negatively affecting student psychology, well-being, academic performance, and social interaction. Students are a critical development stage, vulnerable to addictive influence, development, life patterns, effect of social media, addiction within this group of essential for increasing effective intervention. Strategies in school. Chapter 2, Review of Related Literature. Social media addiction is characterized by computing
Pwede mo siya isang dingdiri ako para ingon na nagbasa lang.
withdrawal.
Ana. Oh.
Chapter 2, Review of Related Literature. Social media addiction is characterized by compulsive use, withdrawal symptoms, and negative impact on daily functioning. Studies indicate high prevalence among adolescents worldwide, with Filipino youth showing increasing vulnerability. The psychological effects include anxiety, depression, and reduced self-esteem, while academically addiction relates with lower grades and poor concentration. Social effects involve demand-based interaction and social isolation. Coping strategies vary for all peers and families. Mixed methods dessert effectively uncovers the complexity of addiction by combining statistical trends with rich personal narrative. Chapter 3, Methodology, Research, Design. A convergent mixed methods design was employed, merging quantitative survey and qualitative interviews to provide a holistic understanding. Participants: quantitative 150 graded students selected randomly at data from elementary school. Qualitative 15 perceivably selected students identified as addicted based on survey source. Instrument: modify social media addiction scale of quantitative data. Semi-structured interview guide for qualitative exploration. Data collection. Survey administered in classroom and home. Interviews conducted individually in private settings. Data analysis. Quantitative data analysis using descriptive and inferential statistics. Qualitative data transmitted and subject to thematic analysis. Chapter 4, Results and Discussion. Qualitative results indicated that a significant portion of students inhabited moderate to high school media addiction, with prevalent use on platforms such as Facebook, TikTok, and By psychological effect, reporting includes stress and stress intensity. While academic impact shows increased procrastination and lower homework. Completion rates, quality interview related symptoms of emotional attachment to social media. Social pressure to stay connected and struggle with time management. Many students express awareness of their addiction, but felt powerful to change without support. The integration of findings highlights that traditional